Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies, I'm going to be sharing a wonderful video talking about my favorite video editing program that I use to edit my YouTube videos. Before I get into it though, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload so you don't miss any awesome videos I have in store. Windows Movie Maker is a free program there that I have on my Gateway laptop. My Gateway laptop is a NV73. It works amazing for YouTube. I haven't had any problems with it. It's so simple to use Windows Movie Maker on it, which is a free to use program, and it allows you to easily import all of your footage, and you can easily and seamlessly cut footage so you can get rid of pauses and moments there that you wanted to edit out, so you can make for a very smooth and seamless video playback, as well as adding some wonderful effects. You can have the effect of having some of the clips having a gray tinge to them to make them seem like they were taken in a different moment, or like you're looking at a flashback, which is always a fun effect to use. And you can even have different effects there when the clips come in or come out there, of the clip exploding or imploding, or even having it do like a fan does there with the clip coming up and closing like a fan, or going down and closing like a fan there, to make for a very interesting and pleasing presentation to make your YouTube videos as unique as you are. And the great thing is you can always even publish in either the best quality for your computer there, so then you can get very nice playback, or you can also publish, which I use, for the high resolution display. You get wonderful 1080p quality, and they play very easily, and it's smooth playback. It is a wonderful program. I highly recommend you guys check it out. I again use it on my Gateway laptop, my NV73. Make sure you guys check out this wonderful free program. I hope this has helped you there when it comes to video editing, and a wonderful program to use. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I would love it if you would check out my other social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict, my Instagram is Comedy Creation, and my Twitch, because I also do streaming. I play The Sims 3 and The Sims 4, and I'm also going to be doing even some book reviews over there as well. My Twitch is Comedy Addict. I would love it if you would follow me on my social media so you don't miss out on any future YouTube videos or Twitch streams, so you guys can be up to date on everything that I share with everyone. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click on the bell notification to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any uploads. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Until then, sensational smiles, go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye subbies.